9:13 in the morning, Thursday, October 31st, Halloween day. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. Now that the water level is back to normal, let me see if I can cross this. It's dry. Oh, it's still muddy, but not as bad. I left my action camera in the truck. Let me come back over here real quick. No current on this side. Normally there is some type of current, where it'd be just weak. You can see at one point the water level rose another 2 feet. No, actually more. Because if you can see debris on those branches, that means that the water level was much higher. Maybe 3 feet higher on this part. And this flows out into the Arroyo Colorado. I should have brought my action camera. I want to touch the water, but I'm not, because I have to. I don't have to. I'm going to eat breakfast in about or maybe an hour and a half. I'll make about a 4 to 5 minute video, and I'm gonna walk back up into the park, then do 1 or 2 more videos up over there in the Arroyo Colorado. I don't want to step on the pill bugs, the roly-polies. See a lot of them. Hope it rains later on. There's like, I don't know, maybe 20-30% chance of rain today. So I hope it rains. This light tower would be nice. Quarter to half inch of rain would be nice. I should consider doing a live stream here one day. I don't know if I have any signal. They mowed some of the grass here, or cut the grass, because you can smell fresh mowed grass. If you hear the noise, it's just a bag that I brought. I brought some corn to feed. They did mow to feed some of the wildlife. They did mow some of the lawn here. Good thing they didn't mow that way. So what I'll do is I'm gonna cut the video right here.